Welcome to this another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. Hope it was a good and profitable trading day. Let's get into the video and understand what happened in the today market and what is the view. A lot of developments happened in the charts. Let's see. So we start with disclaimer. Any views presented here is for education purpose only. Any trades based on that, if you take and loss incurred, I will not be responsible. Let's go into the charts. So let's go into the charts. Nifty, this is the swing low we told, 11,185. So any rise could not sustain above that, close above that, has not happened above that. So 11,185 is a very important level. Above that only something can happen on the positive side. There is no hope for Nifty to rise above 11,185. Let us see in the smaller time frame, not time frame, one day chart itself. Let us see the Fibonacci ratio. Okay, what is the target could be? In the entire fall from here, rise from here, if you see, this is the place. Okay, so at least we should correct to 10,800, 23.6% retracement. The entire rise from here, from March till now, if the top is finished, now the top is made here on the assumption 10,800 is the top, then at least we should see 10,800 levels. This is a minimum target Fibonacci ratio for Nifty. Till we don't cross above 11,185 swing low, we should target 10,800. So be ready for that. Let us go to the Bank Nifty. So in case of Bank Nifty, again, but the problem is here the Bank Nifty has not corrected like gone up like Nifty. So the correction may not be so much sharp on the downside, will be very slow. The pin bar also formed here, but in case of Nifty, Bank Nifty both, it is little oversold. So that's the only thing reason can be bounce can come, but before the bounce is still some gap is there for down move can come. So here if you see here, it is a very small range Bank Nifty is forming, but assuming that if you are rising from here and top is formed here, so we already gone 23.6%, and then now 50% retracement, 2728. So 2700 should be 21,000, 2700. This range almost like is like 50% bottom done. Even if Nifty corrects, the Reliance will correct, banks may not be correcting so much. Worst come worst basis, it can go to this level 16.8%, 19,653 in case the worst fall comes also, because Bank Nifty has done enough correction and is just waiting for the move on the upside only, because the even Bank Nifty to Nifty ratio is 1.9. that way it is definitely Bank Nifty is not a short selling candidate. Okay, so try to short Nifty and long in Bank Nifty. This is a goal should be. Let us go to the power of two charts. So the power of two charts, first we will see the Bank Nifty. This is a futures chart. So exactly if you see today at the go short level, we could not even sustain for 1 minute. After that we started falling down. And then from the go short level we went all the way to go long level. After that we tried to break in the last like around 12:30, 1 o'clock, we fell below the previous day low on short breakout for technical triggering. Once that became, then we got reversal here, and then we got the move up to go short level. We closed where we started the game today by end of the day, morning. From morning is what was started where we closed also. So how the Renko chart setup also helped us in helping understanding this market movements. If you see here, awesome oscillator, this is a reversal. We saw the reversal here. You can see good reversal here. If you see here, the reversal comes here. But whatever the green candle comes here, once the red candle comes, below zero it is sell actually. Okay, but bottom, we can tell bottom here. This is the bottom here. The reversal came here till all the way to this level, and then some consolidation happened, and then the reversal happened. Because here the reversal was very sharp here, almost like 500 points gain in the just 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours the game was like almost 500 points move in the Bank Nifty. It's a big short covering rally came actually. And here also if you see the range, the what range we mentioned here, 21,450 to 21,250, almost 200 points range. Once we broke that range, we saw the 200 points range moved downside also. This one I'll just remove this. Undo, let me just undo this. Okay, no problem. Let us go to the Nifty. If you go to the Nifty also same case, it was almost a short go short level. It started around that level, sustained for that level around till 12 o'clock. After this started down move actually. 11,212. From there it went almost 200 points. We saw down move here in the Nifty. Is a futures chart. Okay, after touching the short breakout level for some time, it got sustained and then started bouncing back because of oversold technicals. It is giving some bounce actually. So any technical bounce will be in only for the oversold levels only. Technically, we are now done in the upside. Now we are going for downside only. So don't think that any reversal is a trend reversal. It is a technical bounce only. It will be here also Nifty same thing. Here we saw big short covering rally to levels of 152, and then we are going to see the range. This is the range was there in the morning, but not like Bank Nifty. It was clear actually. Here is 11,234 till 11,132, almost 100 points range. On breaking this, we got 100 points range on the downside also. Let us go to the charts. So in the charts, let us see the Ichimoku cloud setup. Yesterday we saw the Bank Nifty went below the cloud. Now Ichimoku cloud, it is just getting into the cloud now. Once it went inside the cloud, it will be consolidation. Ehler Fisher is given some sell signal, already sell signal from the last 3 days, giving sell signal. Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen also is giving sell signal. So now any rise, you get resistance at this level. Okay, 11,400 levels. So that's the maximum level it can go. Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen. We got a good short-term reversal sell signal here. Don't ignore that. Okay, you have to change because normally market gives enough opportunity for you to change your positions. It has given enough change time for you now. If you're not still you are in the long positions, I think you should be slowly exiting the long positions and get for the good reversal on the downside. It may be difficult for you to digest sometimes, but we have to digest the reality. If you see the Bank Nifty, in case of Bank Nifty, already we are below the cloud. The future cloud also is showing a bearish and red signal. So that way, till we don't go above the cloud 22,000 levels, we are going to be on the sell side only for Bank Nifty. It will be tough for the cloud is going to form a first tough resistance for the Bank Nifty. But Ehler Fisher has given enough down move from here all the way from 25,000 level till here. Okay, now Bank Nifty can give some bounces actually, and the Bank Nifty ratio 1.9 currently can go to 1.2 and 2.1 also. If that is the case, then Bank Nifty can give you a good move on the upside, but Nifty may not be giving such a good move actually. If you see here, just we'll take a small example of calculation. Now 21,178 divided by 11,131 will give you 1.9 is the ratio. Now assume the ratio becomes 2. What will happen here? 11,131 into 2. So all 22,262, almost 1,000 points rally in Bank Nifty can take the ratio to 2 levels, but Nifty sustaining at the same level. Okay, so there is a possibility that 0.1 ratio can improve the Bank Nifty by 1,000 points. Okay, simple calculation. Let us go to the second setup. Arun has given sell signal yesterday itself. Now we are just going below the Bollinger Band. It is not such a good sign. Okay, we are becoming weak. Unless we saw a close our previous day high, we have to be on the sell side. Very simple rule. Never ever think of long positions till we don't close our previous day high. Very simple rule. Now coming to the Bank Nifty, the pin bar is giving confusion whether we will be betting a bottom or not. As I mentioned, again I am telling you, Bank Nifty is not a short selling candidate. Short Nifty and long Bank Nifty is the best thing. 1,000 points move Bank Nifty without Nifty moving is possible because of Reliance. Only once Reliance start correcting, Nifty will correct also. Here also we are getting enough good sell signal here, but may not be 21,000 is very good support for Nifty. Bank Nifty may not be breaking so easily unless otherwise some good moves comes on the downside, because based on some news from the banking sector particularly. Bank Nifty and Nifty both are sell signal for Arun. Next come to the Heikin Ashi. In case of Heikin Ashi, so the Nifty also has given a sell signal in the super trend. What else confirmation you want for Nifty for sell? Everything is given sell signal now. Any rise, look for opportunity to short the calls. That's the best thing. And with a hedge, don't short naked call push calls. This will be disastrous. Okay, because you'll be losing some money on the hedge, but still you can have peaceful night if you can have short positions with the hedge. Because sudden reversal, something news comes from anything, your position got reversed means then it will be a problem. So Nifty is a sell signal from triple super trend also, so easily will not be breaking it on the upside. Will take enough time. Will take enough time for you to get a reversal in this setup. Bank Nifty already is in sell signal. Now every setup is in sell signal only. Now once the global market started giving down moves, then the market can go momentum on the downside very quickly. If you see already Singapore Nifty showing 11,070 almost 60 points down as compared to the today's close in the Nifty. Let us go to the chart setups. So key data, bearish, PCR is bearish, no doubt. Highest open interest is 11,000, 11,200. 11,200 and 11,300, not much of the gap, so I am considering 11,200 highest open interest. So 11,200 call should be threatened for any up move on the upside. I don't think will happen tomorrow, and they are going to squeeze it and take the expiry to 11,000 also possible. And in case of Bank Nifty, 21,000 and 21,500, the range is going to be between this only. Entire day it was moving around this, though it went below this, it again came into this level. And in case of Lakshman Rekha, where just tomorrow is the monthly expiry, so we are going to close the monthly expiry with almost 500 points profit for Nifty and almost 2,500 points profit for Bank Nifty. What else you want for Lakshman Rekha? It's very good indicator and support for us to get this big move. And in case of levels for tomorrow, 11,028 is the level where is a short breakout. This is a short breakout, this is a long breakout. Above 11,267 will be the long breakout. And go long from here is this level and go short at this level. This is all futures level. And this is for Bank Nifty, 2936 short breakout, 21,545. So the same like almost our option pain also, option highest open interest also same thing. And go long from 21,000 level and go short at 21,390, 21,400. Just 100 points above and 100 points below. Sorry. So key moving averages, 20 moving average very far, 11,421, and 50 moving average is very good support. It broken also. Now till the time we don't see any close about 11,294 previous day high, remain short positions. And then as I mentioned, 200 EMA is a very good support, final support, where we could test 10,800 is possible as per the Fibonacci retracement in case we are going to see the continuous down moves. In retracement will be getting resistance at 11,185, which is a swing low. And here all the key moving averages are below the spot is below this, all the key moving averages. So Bank Nifty is definitely bearish, but will be doing consolidation and premium meeting game only be happening in the Bank Nifty. And in case of FIs, so now they cut down the long positions. Now they are holding just 664 contracts of long positions in the futures, but they are holding now 2 lakh contracts of long puts. Disastrous. They can take the market to anywhere and downside also. Once they start building the futures, then it's possible that even the moves like March can also come. So get ready for the moves. Don't take it light. That's what I feel. My opinion, but you can take your own decisions. But don't go heavy or something unless you have a big conviction and you know how to manage your risk and do the money management. Okay, because if you have because already derivatives is a leveraged instrument, so you can take positions accordingly. And this is a closing position, highest open interest. So good open interest built up happened in 21,300, 21,400 call. So this is very difficult to break as of now. And in case of call in Nifty, all the top 5 contracts are only call options where the build up has happened. 1100, 150, 200, 250, 300. All the 5 contracts calls have been built up heavily and today in the Nifty. So it's going to be very tough nut for the Nifty to break this on the upside. Hope you have got this feedback now. Now let us go to the learning time. So coming to learning time, this is a compatibility matrix. So this is particularly works very good in the marriage actually. In case of marriage, let the elders, parents, relatives, the prohits, everybody can see that whatever they want to see in the charts for the boy and girl. But this one chart, just keep it handy, and maybe you can take a snapshot of this and store it anywhere for your kids, for marriage, or yourself if you have a tough time in your married life, anything, just see this chart. So this chart shows you like this is a Rasi, this is a zodiac sign, this is a Rashi or zodiac sign in Tamil. Okay, don't see in the English one. English is the based on date of birth gives, that is not the correct one. So this is the Mesha Rasi. Aries means Mesha Rasi, Rishabha Rasi, Midhunam. Okay, that way you just have a look at it. and this is the Rashi zodiac sign, okay, Kumbham Rashi, Kumbham, Makaram, that way you see, okay, it's a Meenam, Kumbham, Makaram, that way you see, and this is Lord for each and every Rashi also. So a person with Makar Rashi, okay, marrying this Midhun Rashi is good, okay, and also marrying a spouse with Leo sign also is good, and then here Scorpio, and then this is a Midhun Rashi. So just see this one, good, whatever is mentioned is good. Just see this compatibility and ensure that you get married that way if you are not married, and for your children also you can just have a look at it, and I'm sure it is going to be very, very helpful for you in your future career and your life path. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe, like this channel. I'll try to bring more important information for you which can help you in your lifetime. Thank you so much. Bye.